Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing round 8 of the 2021 Hot Wheels Race Team cars. A Q case just dropped off at Target and I got some cool stuff. Well, most of this I didn't get at that Target, but got some N case cars along the way at maybe like Walmart's. I think this is a Q case. Yep, 2021 Q case. Got a couple of the newest ones. P case, stuff like that from the 2021 Hot Wheels Race Team series. So this is like a Hot Wheels Race Team theme of cars. I unboxed the Mad Splash and an N case unboxing on my channel, which I will hopefully remember to link in the description. I have most of the cars. I'm missing some. I'm missing that Nova Wagon gasser. I'm missing that Dodge Charger Drift. And I think there's one more that I'm missing. We're going to start off with number 1 of the series, when a, what's it called, a K case dropped at Shaw's. I got this 87 Dodge D100, number 1 of 10, and 168 of 250 for 2021. This is the only one I have on an international card. Don't know how I managed to squeeze by that. This is the 87 Dodge D100 Hot Wheels Race Team. Number 1 of 10 for 2021. You can see that nice details on the side. The race decals. Blue and orange. Loving the Goodyear tampos. That classic Dodge grill. That matte blue finish. Just an absolutely awesome car. Interior, kind of hard to see. Really liking the spare tire in the back of this one. This is a plastic base. All right, we're gonna do number 2 of the series, HW450F. This was at a Dollar General, and L case dropped, I believe. Yeah, GRY19 from the L case. And the Hot Wheels Race Team series is cool Hot Wheels inspired race vehicles. Will you win the race? Sorry, I need to clear my throat there. This is a motorcycle, number 182. Not really good at opening the motorcycles, but this is a cool motorcycle right here. It's got a lot of metal on it. That blue is metal. You can see that. That blue, there's no more blue. That engine is diecast. Like those wheels. Cool 2021 motorcycle. I've opened up a Ducati Scrambler on the channel before. I'll put these all over here. Alright, let's go with number 3 in the series. If we have number 3, just sit tight. Yep. I'm not going to edit this video. It's too much effort. Dodge Charger stock car from the Hot Wheels Race Team. 3 of 10. So we got number 1, number 2, and number 3. 194 of 250. Dropped this at a Walmart from the M case. Sorry, had to pause there. My tripod was getting a little funky. Oh, almost dropped it. Would you say that's a clean open? No, little tear on the side. Dodge Charger stock car. Oh, wow. This one's an awesome one. You can see the number 3 on the side. Deep dish 8 wheels. Look at that sleek design. It's like a literal race car. Dodge Charger stock car. All these vehicles are made in Malaysia. Number 3 on the top. Let's move it along here. Number 4 of the series. One of these is from a Q case and one is from an N case, I believe. M case. M and Q. This is the older one in blue, and then I got an orange one. Oh, we just tear them right open. I'll give you a closer look at that one. Got orange. 500 on those. It's a nice look at that right there. They kind of switch the colors on each vehicle. That's pretty cool. Each having a die-cast top and a plastic base. Alright, what do we got next? Number 5 of the series, GT Scorcher. This is a new for 2021 model, number 210. And it's got some writing there, not going to read it. This is from the M case from Walmart. Man, not getting any clean opens. I'm also not trying. Oh, got some great spinning wheels on this one. GT Scorcher. Special feature. Aerodynamics. You can see those nice headlights right there. Clear. Wow, clear hood inside there. Very sleek design on this one. Yeah. Nice, 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 nice. All right. Don't have number 6. I actually have a couple more to unbox. I have number 10 and number 8. Let's go with Sandburner number 8. This is a new for 2021 model. Once again, number 233. You can read P case. These ones are getting really hard to open. Off-roading vehicle. Gotta move along here. Only got a couple minutes left. Transparent tire on the top. Awesome. Last on the base. Nice. Last one, Moto Wing. It's a cross between a jet fighter and a motorcycle. I don't think I got any clean opens in this episode. Number 10 of the series. Number 242 on the year. Very weird car with skinny wheels in the front. Moto Wing. Alright, well, thanks to everyone that tuned in. Just opened up 8 of the Hot Wheels race team vehicles from 2021. Some from the newer cases. It's a newer series. Thanks to everyone that tuned in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Goodbye.